Are you still dragging every column and every row one by one? Seriously, don't do that anymore. There's a much faster way. In fact, I'll show you 3 easy methods to auto-fit columns and rows in Excel. Let's start. Method 1, double-click magic. Head over to Sheet 1. Here's the easiest method. First, select all the columns that contain your messy data. Next, move your mouse right between any 2 column letters. When the cursor changes into a double-headed arrow, simply double-click. That's it. Look at that. Every selected column automatically adjusts to the perfect width. Now let's fix the rows as well. Select the rows. Move your cursor between any 2 row numbers until you see the same double-headed arrow and double-click again. Awesome. Every row is now perfectly adjusted. Honestly, if you only resize data occasionally, this is probably the fastest method you'll ever need. Method 2, keyboard shortcut. Let's make it even faster. Open Sheet 2. This time, keep your hands on the keyboard. Select the entire table. To auto-fit all the column widths, press Alt-H-O-I. Instantly, every column is adjusted. Now let's do the rows. Simply press Alt-H-O-A. Done. Everything fits perfectly. If you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts over using the mouse, you'll absolutely love this method because it saves time every single day. Method 3, VBA Automation. Now for my favorite trick. Open Sheet 3. Imagine you're entering new data all day long. Adjusting column widths every single time gets really annoying. Let's make Excel do that job automatically. Right-click the sheet name and choose View Code. The VBA editor opens. At the top, you'll see a drop-down that says General. Click it and change it to Worksheet. This tells Excel that whenever something changes in this worksheet, it should run our code automatically. Now, inside the code window, type this line. Start with cells. Type a dot. Then write entire column. Type another dot. Finally, type AutoFit. That's all there is to it. Close the VBA window and come back to your worksheet. Now watch this. As soon as I enter new data, wow, Excel automatically adjusts the column width by itself. No extra clicks, no shortcuts, no manual resizing. If you work with reports every day, this tiny automation can save you hours over the course of a year. Outro, and that's it. 3 simple ways to auto-fit columns and rows in Excel. Use the double-click method when you want the quickest fix. Use the keyboard shortcuts when speed is your priority. And use VBA Automation when you want Excel to handle everything for you automatically. Which method are you going to use first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more practical Excel tips that make your work faster, smarter, and a whole lot easier. See you in the next one.